Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Pakao. Today we are making veg dum biryani. We will start by adding 3 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use oil if you want. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. To this we will add some whole garam masala, 2 bay leaf. Let the cumin seed crackle and we add 4 medium sized sliced onions and cook this for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. And now to this we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste and saute it again. And now we will add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Mix this. And now we will start adding our veggies. I have taken half cup of green peas, half cup of carrot, 3/4 cup of beans. Now we mix all the veggies well with the rest of the ingredients and add about 1/4 cup of water. Mix again and we will close the lid for 5 to 6 minutes and let it cook on low flame. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of Shahi Biryani Masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and as usual some salt to taste. Now to this we will add 2 teaspoons of lime juice and we will mix this. Mix the veggies well with all the dry spices. And to this we'll add half glass of water. Mix this and then cover and cook for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I have made one paste of some coriander, cashew and almond. So we will add that about 3/4 cup and then half cup of curd to this. Mix all this for at least 1 minute and then we will add some salt if needed. Mix it again and to this we will add our final ingredient, which is paneer, 1 cup of paneer. We will mix this only for 30 seconds so that our paneer remains soft. Otherwise, there are chances that the paneer might become hard. Next step is layering the biryani. So I have already cooked some basmati rice. So we will first put the layer of the rice. And the next layer will be of the vegetable masala, which we have already prepared. We will add 1 more layer of the rice. And to this I have added some food color, which is optional. And then we will add some fried onions. Some coriander. You can also add mint if you want. And 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now we will start the dum process. For this we will need one flat tawa. On top of this we'll keep our handi Usually we have to seal this with dough, but since I was getting bored, I have used paper clips. And yes, your biryani is ready to serve. Serve this hot with a raita of your choice, or even a plain curd will go well with this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at The Pakao.